How's it going, guys? It's Jayton back again today talking about what is olive leaf extract. But before we dive into this one, I want to make sure to give you the chance to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get this information out to as many people as possible, so if you want to help me on that mission, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this one. Olive leaf extract is an extract that is distinct from olive oil. It actually comes from the leaf of the plant, not the actual berry. The olive tree itself has been cultivated since at least 3000 BC. I honestly believe that it's probably been cultivated for much longer than that due to its role in ancient cultures in Europe. Olive leaf extract is very dense in phenolic compounds, with the most notable being oleuropein. I'm not sure if I said that correctly, so if you know how it's said, please feel free to correct me. Due to the physiological activity of these different phenolic compounds, olive leaf extract has many different benefits. Some of the benefits that have been shown with this extract are decreases in blood pressure, decreases in oxidation of LDL cholesterol, decreases in DNA damage, decreases in blood glucose, and increases in insulin sensitivity. And these are just some of the various benefits that this supplement has to offer. It's also a very potent antimicrobial, and it actually helps the immune system very, very well, on top of the ones that I just mentioned. When looking for a good olive leaf extract supplement, I would look for an organic variety that is around the 500 to 100 milligram range. You might also see it named as olive polyphenols whenever you're looking at the label. You can also get small amounts of the phenolic compounds in the oil itself. However, it's not as potent, and the benefits will not be as pronounced as it would be with the olive leaf extract. And that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button if you learned something, if you like this video, and then comment down below if you have any topics that you'd like me to cover in the future and kind of get my perspective on. I'd love to cover them for you all. This was actually an idea that I had from one of you guys. So if you're interested in a topic, please leave it down below, and I'll make sure to get to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.